In this video, I'll teach you how to find your target audience on LinkedIn, how to locate them, your specific target audience, um, and their location. So for me, my target audience is simple: founders and CEOs, right? So let's start with founders, right? Let's look for founders. So I'll click on search. So you notice a lot of things here. Don't be afraid. You see the post groups. But if you just come here and you start looking for more people, you might not get the best of what you want. All right. So you go back. Let's go back. Let's go back. Now you come here, all filters. You have more options here. So first degree connections are people that you have connected with. Then second degree connections are people that are connected to those people that you are connected with, but they are not connected to you. By third degree connections, you are not connected to them at all. You understand? So I would not go for first degree connection. I would go for second and third. So these are the people that are connected to the ones that I am connected to, and the third degree connections are very far from me. So I want to make this, let's say, specific locations, right? United States, United Kingdom, um, let's say France, let's say France, right? Let's pick Nigeria. Um, we can add one more. We can add one more. Let's say Spain. And add one more. Let's say Spain. Depends on your location, but this is my target audience. You can say Spain. So now you can see current companies, which does not matter, mm, connections and all. So I will say English, Spanish, French, right? Then what else? I think I will leave it at that. Then I will click on show more results. So I have more options now to select from. These are specific people to my niche, right? So I have of a lot here and options to check, to go over. So you have a lot of options. Just go over them. If anyone fits into your target audience, you send them a request immediately, right? You make a connection, you send them a request immediately. So just go over them and send a request. So you can do this for specific niche, for HRs, human resources, different kinds of people. Right. You can also use this to find let's say I'm looking for editor. Um video editor. Let's say I'm looking for a video editor. Um and I want them from this location. Let me just take Nigeria off. Um and take Spain. Okay, let me just reset. Let's just reset and go back again. Let's go to filter. Let's say UK, um, United States. Let's just leave it on United States and show more. You will see a lot of people from United States. You can just click and open. So you see, so you can click and check their work if you feel that you know what they are doing. Um, and this guy, a Tumblr designer. So you just this is how you just go about it. You get Just locate the ones that you feel that's okay. They can do something and just send them a request.